Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to make gamepass for please donate. So first of all guys, you have to open browser. So once you open the browser guys, you have to go to roblox.com. Now once you're on Roblox homepage guys, you have to tap on three bar over here and just go to avatar, not avatar editor. You have to go to in create tab over here. And now to create gamepass, you have to tap on this menu button and just tap on creations. And now once you are in the experiences, just tap on your experience, your default experience, and now tap on this menu button again and just scroll down here. Under the monetization you will see this passes option, tap on it. And now under the creation guys, you will see this create a pass button. Just tap on it and enter the name of the game pass, description, and tap on create a pass button. So now if you want to sell your game pass in please donate, you have to tap on the new game pass that you have created. Now tap on menu button again to enable it for sale and tap on sale button, and here you have to enable the item for sale. Then enter the price here and just tap on save changes. So let me change the price over here to 100 and just tap on save changes to save price. Now once you are done with this guys, you just need to open please donate on your device and list your game pass there. Now once you're in the game guys, you have to look for any empty stand. So I just got carried away, and now just hold this stand button over here and your game pass, all the game pass will be listed here. Fine, so yeah, that's how you can do it. Hope you like it. So thanks for watching. Bye bye. And that's how you can create a game pass for your Roblox.